welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be not so exciting for me, but it's going to be very exciting for you guys. You know why? So I had put up a story on my Instagram. If you don't follow me there, you can just go and follow me there. So I did a post where I asked you guys to send me some weird food combination that you have heard of or you have tried ever. So I've got a bunch of weird combinations which are absolutely disgusting, and in the beginning of the video only I want to tell you guys that RIP to my stomach. Hope you are fine after this video, because the combination that you have sent are वेरी डिस्गस्टिंग. आई डोंट नो ये लोग आप लोग मुझे सताने के लिए कर रहे हो. इसमें एक केचप एंड मैगी वर लाइक द हाईएस्ट. सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर ब्लैबरिंग, let's get into the video. So the very first, I have all here on my phone. So the very first combination is Maggi with chocolate ice cream. I don't know, but Maggi with chocolate ice cream, oh my god. Now let's start with the first one. So I have this bowl over here. I'll put some Maggi in it, and then we'll put some vanilla ice cream, and chocolate sauce. Ew. I already regret doing this video. Mix it well. Let's taste. So it is bad, but मैगी का स्वाद ज़्यादा आ रहा है, एंड आइसक्रीम एंड चॉकलेट आफ्टर लाइक च्यूइंग फॉर लाइक 2-3 टाइम्स वो वैनिश हो जा रहा है. सो इट्स नॉट दैट बैड, बट इट इज़ बैड. सो नाउ लेट्स ट्राई द सेकेंड वन. द सेकेंड वन इज भिंडी एंड बिस्किट. No doubt bhindi is one of my favorite sabzi that I have. I love bhindi. Bhindi and biscuit. It's like two another tangent and topic. So now let's see how it tastes. So here is my biscuit and here is bhindi ki sabzi. So I had took bhindi and biscuit. So it's not one of my favorite combinations, I would say, but bhindi bhi like crispy hai, biscuit is also like crispy. So and biscuit thoda sweet hota hai, so it's giving like a sweet bhindi crunchy kind of a taste. So it's not that bad. बट या मैं हर बार भिंडी के साथ बिस्किट लेके तो नहीं बैठूंगी. सो द नेक्स्ट वन इज, यू गाइज आर नॉट रेडी फॉर दिस, मिठाई विथ केचप. फर्स्टली आई हेट केचप. सेकेंड, आई एम नॉट अ मिठाई पर्सन. आई डोंट नो हाउ दिस विल गो, बिकॉज केचप भी स्वीट रहता है, मिठाई भी स्वीट. आई एम ऑलरेडी क्रिंजिंग ऑन दिस वन, बट हियर इज केचप. And here is mithai. I have mawa peda here. I think this much is enough. Disgusting. It's disgusting. Sauce and that मावा पेड़ा का sweetness, it's like too much for me. The start हुआ है ये हाल है. I don't know how this will go आगे जाके. So next I have got Maggi and ice cream, but I've already tried like chocolate ice cream and Maggi, so I'm not going to try that again. But Oreo and Maggi, I don't know what to say, but let's see. I have a pack of Oreo here, Oreo biscuit, and इसके बीच में Maggi रख के खाते हैं. So biscuit sandwich kind of. अगेन मैगी का पूरा टेस्ट ओरियो ओवरपावर कर रहा है, सो इसमें अच्छे से टेस्ट नहीं आ रहा है मैगी का, बट इट्स गुड सरप्राइजिंगली. सो द नेक्स्ट कॉम्बिनेशन इज बिस्किट एंड वाटर. दिस इज नॉट अ वियर्ड कॉम्बिनेशन गाइज, बिकॉज बचपन से मैं वो ऑड बच्चा रहा हूँ जो दूध और बिस्किट से ज़्यादा पानी और बिस्किट खाया करती थी.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
So मैं जब छोटी थी तब मैं बहुत खाती थी and everyone was like, what are you eating? But this was my favorite combination. So you guys should try this dip biscuit. So this combination is a thumbs up for me. Now next combination is again a bizarre combination. So it's chaat with rasgulla. I mean, how can you guys think of all this combination? कहाँ से आता है इतना दिमाग?
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं?
Give it a shot. I mean, this video is all about trying weird combinations. So let's try this one as well. Bite of rasgulla and I'll mix with bhel here. Why I'm doing this to myself? This is by far the worst, weirdest combination I've tried. The taste is still there and it's yuck. The next combination is going to be fries with ice cream. I have heard many people do that, like with Coke float and just dip your french fries in it. So let's try. I haven't tried it ever, but let's see if I like this combination or not. I have fries, I have ice cream. Love it. So the next combination is noodles and dahi. I don't think it will taste good, like it will taste bad. Dip them very well. Oh my god, I'll puke. I mean, this is worst it could happen. So the next combination is mayonnaise with chocolate. Let's just try this another one. So I have chocolate right here and I have mayonnaise right here.
Run.
That was disgusting. Ew. So the next combination is jalebi with pav. ऐसे अतरंगी आइडिया सिर्फ गुज्जू लोग दे सकते हैं, गुज्जू लोग ही मिक्स कर सकते हैं. So by being a gujju, I love jalebi, but I don't know how jalebi and pav will work together. So let's just try that. जलेबी का टेस्ट ज़्यादा आ रहा है एंड इट्स लाइक स्वीट पाव जैसा कुछ खा रहे हो. पाव का टेस्ट वैसे भी आ भी नहीं रहा ज़्यादा, बट इट्स नॉट द बैड. द नेक्स्ट कॉम्बिनेशन एज दाल राइस प्लस शुगर which is normal for me because गुज्जू लोगों के घर, if you are गुज्जू, you must be knowing कि गुज्जू लोग के घर पे स्वीट दाल ही बनती है. So दाल भात जैसा ही हुआ. So that's not weird enough. So I won't try that. But thank you for the suggestion. And I'm going to try soya sauce and pizza. So I have soya sauce right here and pizza. Dipped it in soya sauce, the pizza, and now सेकेंड के बाद सोया सॉस का सॉल्टीनेस जो है चला जा रहा है. So it's good. I mean, it's not that bad. So we have last two combinations left for this video, and the second last one is going to be rice with ketchup. So again ketchup. So now let's try. I mean, इससे ज़्यादा I don't have guts, seriously. So bad. I mean, for me it's really bad, but if you are a ketchup fan, then maybe you can try this. It won't be that bad for you, but I absolutely hate this combo. Last but not the least, we have pickle with peanut butter. I don't have any words now, just let's quickly try this last combo. So I have peanut butter and some pickle right here. At start it wasn't that bad, but जैसे जैसे pickle का पूरा like lemony citrusy flavor गया, उसके बाद peanut butter and that char was like too weird. So that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. Do give it a thumbs up. Comment down below how you like this video and what was your like favorite combination out of all. I mean, the weirdest one. Subscribe to my channel. Push the notification bell. And I'll see you in my next video. Love yourself and bye-bye.